What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Xavier here, and welcome to Xavier's Marketing Man Cave. Guys, today I'm going to be doing a review for Master Resale Bundle. Okay, this is a Warrior Plus offer. It's only $9.25. I picked up a copy, but it's 10 ebooks, 12 videos, 4 graphic packs. This is the rights. This is the stuff you can do with these ebooks, which is pretty much everything. Can sell and keep 100% of the sales, can edit the squeeze page, etc. That's why I picked up a copy. I really like the fact that I can do pretty much anything with these ebook bundles, because you get pretty creative, guys, with this. If you're unfamiliar with using ebooks to entice people to do certain actions, especially for $9.25, you can't beat that. So I want to cover what they claim they come with, and I'm about to show you some of their videos. See what's included in the Master Resale Bundle. 5 ways to discover hot niches, social media plan, AdSense marketing cash flow, Course Ninja, good graphics too on the covers. If I get a chance, I'll show you guys how the covers look. Like I said, I have a copy. 70 sales letter swipe. This is good stuff right here. I'm a list builder, so the more swipes I can get my hands on, the better. How to make fun. I'm about to show you guys a video on this one. But yeah, it comes with tons of stuff. Graphics pack. You can see some of the covers. Like I said, $9.25. It comes with a 45-day money-back guarantee. If you're not happy with the quality or the audios. But let's move on to let me show you how. I'll show you a demonstration of the video.
Claiming that their income on this platform has replaced their regular jobs income and then some. In fact, a lot of people happily announce that they've quit their day jobs and are doing voiceovers full time.
Okay, he's talking about secrets with Fiverr and how to
The
make money
secret to
with
Fiverr's
Fiverr.
success is to enable people to post whatever services they may have, ranging from graphics design to writing to virtual assistant services to video spokesperson services and others for a flat fee. Originally, this was set at $5. This explains.
I won't be playing the full video. It's just so you guys get
You sell your time for money. You may be thinking, what's so bad about this? Well, if that's what you wanted to do, you should have just gotten a job. Seriously, you should have just gone to monster.com or some other online jobs platform and hunted yourself down a job. The great thing about a regular job is that you are
good audio on these videos. I like the quality, very well done. I'm definitely going to be including this as a bonus to get someone to take action. Now let's go to the presentation real quick, guys, because I want to show you Master Resale Bundle, things you can do with this bundle pack. Just further your horizon, open up your horizon as to what you can do with these PLR ebooks if you're unfamiliar with this type of stuff, okay? Here's a demo of the graphics that come included with the bundle pack. I don't want to show them all because I want to keep this video under 10 minutes. It'll take forever to show. There's so many graphics that come with this pack. It'll just take forever. But this is just like a demonstration of the stuff. Good quality. You know, you can present something like this in a landing page to get people to take action. Let's move on to the next slide. This is stuff you can do with this bundle pack, guys. You can offer it as an incentive, okay? You can offer 1 or 2 or the whole bundle to someone in exchange for their name and email. This is great, like if you're getting into list building and you want to entice a person to put in their name and email address in exchange for something free, okay? Personally, that's what I plan to do. I plan to give them 1 or 2 ebooks or maybe the whole bundle. But I'll probably just give them a couple of ebooks in exchange for their name and email for free. A great way to grow your list. Moving on, you can offer it to your email list if you're a list builder. This is like if you already have a list. It's always good to give your list free stuff, free gifts. Let them know you care. Let them know you're a real person. Let them know that you're not all about hammering them with offers for them to buy. That's where these ebooks come in. They're great for that. You can offer it in social media platforms like Facebook to win trust. You know, you can give this to people on your Facebook. They can win trust, or you could just give it to friends or family on there. But you know, this is good for building a trust factor on Facebook. You can resell for as much as you want and get paid directly with no wait time or middleman. Okay, which is great. You know, a lot of these like MLM programs and whatnot, you got to wait to a certain period to get paid. You don't get paid the full whack. You just get paid a certain percentage. With this, you get paid the full amount. You know, you could charge as much as you want and get paid that full amount, which is great. Another thing I didn't include on this, guys, that I should have had is you can definitely use this as an incentive on YouTube. Like if you create like a YouTube channel and you want somebody to purchase something that's in the description link to entice them more, you might throw in this bundle pack and be like, hey, listen, if you buy this off my affiliate link, I'm going to include this bundle. And that's just going to sweeten the deal. Okay? There's tons of stuff you could do with you know, these PLR ebooks and videos. But that's it for my review, guys. Today was a short one. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell notifications. In the description, I'm giving you guys free my Facebook script tool. You're going to love it. It's absolutely free. Also, you can subscribe. There's a link in the description area. There might be some additional videos on there too for stuff I do recommend that you buy. But at the moment, that's it, guys. It was a short one. And if you want, pick up a copy of these bundle packs. Like I said, I'm not including the link for it in the description because I'm not promoting it. I just wanted to do a review on it because I thought it was pretty damn good. But anyway, guys, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.